Alright y'all, so this is how the hair looks. It is from ISEEHAIR. It's their 13x4 20-inch deep water wave. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and some adjustable straps, but I did cut out all 3 combs in the front because those are irrelevant. So this is how it looks straight after me bleaching and plucking this unit. If you are like me and you have a big dome, this wig might not be for you. I'm having to do a lot to get this to cover it. No. So I'm gonna try and cut this first. So I think that I'm gonna cut the lace first and then go down. So this time around I decided to put the lace over the glue. Like, I'm gonna show you what I mean, but basically like it's gonna be pieces of lace that lift up just because that's how I decided to apply the wig. You can choose to add some glue to the lace that's lifting up, or you could just cut it off. It's definitely an easy way to make sure you have an easy cleanup, and so you don't have glue just smeared everywhere. That was like a problem that I always had. So I plucked some hair off because I just wanted to thin it out. So I didn't show me doing my baby hairs just because I have an actual separate video of me doing baby hairs on the same exact wig. And yeah, I'm gonna use the Care wax stick, and that is going to get me a flat look, which didn't make no sense because I ended up switching how I'm wearing this wig. And yeah, I'm going to detangle as well. Alright, so I'm back. This is what I decided to do. I decided to do a like no part flip over method because I just didn't like how the middle part looked on me. It is only like a 13x4, so like the part in space on the side just like it didn't click. I have a separate video on how I do the baby hairs. I probably mentioned that, I don't know, but I will link it somewhere to this video. But yeah, I did literally the similar baby hairs as this one is. So the hair is pretty much dry. The only products that it had on there was that blue mousse. Put it right there. This is the length. I think the description said that it was like 22 inches, so this is how 22 inches looks on me and how it looks dried up. The wig did have like a wig smell, so I just made sure I shampooed it and deep conditioned it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We are on the way to 100 subscribers. Get me to 100. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.